Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to look at how to create a modern looking GUI application using Tkinter. So to create a modern looking GUI application using Tkinter, you can use this package. It's called CustomTkinter, and when you come to the GitLab here, it was created by Tom. I cannot be able to pronounce the second name. You can come to here, CustomTkinter, and you can be able to see the documentation here, and you can see how to install customized Tkinter is pip install CustomTkinter. And for example, if you already installed, if you want to upgrade, you can do pip install CustomTkinter upgrade. Then you can be able to see, you can be able to create a modern looking UI. Okay, and if you want to read more information about it, you can go to their website and you'll be able to see all the information, all the widgets, all the packages, okay, the appearance modes, theme. You can be able to see all that, and there's a tutorial here. And when you go back to the GitLab, there are some examples here. For example, we can copy this complex example. Let me copy the code, and I add that code to my Visual Studio Code. Let me save. And when I run that code, you'll be able to see it's a very nice looking UI, and you can change here if you want light mode, dark mode, if you want system. So by default my system is using light mode, so you can see, and you can use dark mode. Okay, when you use sys, it means if your computer changes to dark mode, the appearance mode also changes. You can see here you can scale, like if you want to have it, the text 120, 90, 100. Then you can see here you have the radio buttons, you have the check boxes, you have the switch, you have the combo, you can select, you have the tabs, you have the button, and when you hover over the button, you can see it changes. You can see here we have the text box. Yeah, and the difference between how to use customized Tkinter, difference from Tkinter, is if you come here, you'll see, for example, they've imported Tkinter. They also imported customized Tkinter. And normally, when you're using Tkinter, for example, with text box, instead of using customized Tkinter, you'll use Tkinter. So the only thing that you do is to change from Tkinter to customized Tkinter. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.